Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. The first thing I would recommend you do is go into your App Store or Play Store and you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. So you can quickly type in Instagram. And as you can see here, mine is up to date. If you see update, you need to tap on update. And after updating your app, if it is still giving the same problem, what I would recommend you do, if you're on an iPhone, you would go into settings. And from here, you're going to scroll down and select general. Then you're going to select iPhone storage. But if you're on an Android device, you'll simply go into your settings and select apps and search for Instagram. And you want to tap on clear cache and data. But on an iPhone, you'll simply search, then tap on Instagram, and you want to tap on offload app. By offloading the app, you'll be clearing the cache. You'll simply tap on offload app. After you have done that, if you are still having the same problem with Instagram, what I would recommend you do is go into the Instagram app. And once on your profile page, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And from here, you're going to select settings. Then you're going to select help and tap on the top, report a problem. Then you're going to tap on something isn't working. And from here, you'll simply type in Instagram Reels not showing. Then you would send the problem. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.